Cryptocurrency Trading Strategies for Beginners, 2024. Discover practical cryptocurrency trading strategies for beginners on the path to financial independence. This is where a cryptocurrency trading strategy becomes crucial, acting as your guide to navigate the digital currency market. Getting started. Cryptocurrency trading strategies. Building your foundation. Some effective risk management techniques include setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and using position sizing rules to determine how much of a particular coin to buy or sell. Strategy 1. Cryptocurrency. Trading strategies. HODLing for long-term growth. Patience pays off. Unlike day trading, HODLing is a long-term investment strategy where investors buy cryptocurrencies with the intention of holding them over months or even years, regardless of volatility. Strategy 2. Cryptocurrency trading strategies. Riding the waves with swing trading. Strategy 3. Cryptocurrency. Trading strategies. Taking advantage of volatility with breakout trading. Same in trading. A sudden increase in volume can signal a strong move, showing traders are really getting behind the price action. Strategy 4. Cryptocurrency. Trading strategies. Playing both sides with arbitrage. Strategy 5. Cryptocurrency trading strategies. News-based trading. Keep tabs on any changes in cryptocurrency regulations globally, as these can have a profound impact on market trends. Navigating the challenges and embracing the future of cryptocurrency trading. As we look ahead to the future of cryptocurrency trading, it's evident that technology will continue to shape this industry. Embrace these changes and challenges alike. They are stepping stones on your path to financial independence through savvy cryptocurrency trading. Embrace your journey to financial independence through cryptocurrency trading. While profits are desirable, true success in cryptocurrency trading lies in the ability to stay strong through challenges and always seek growth. Remember, success in cryptocurrency trading is not guaranteed. For the full free content, go to Sakkemoto.com.